Let's move into our third section, and this is where we got into the market sizing cases. We went through that example of how much shampoo gets used in a typical downtown hotel, and you did a pretty good job of thinking of a lot of different variations. Don't forget about SPEAK. It's a great way to get started with these types of cases, and remember the acronym and what it stands for. State your assumptions, pick your metrics, estimate quickly, you have to get to a number, then assess your approach, and then keep exceptions in mind. And remember, A and K kind of blend together. Thinking about how you could have done it differently and then trying to tell the interviewer, hey, here are some exceptions that concern me. As you go through more and more of these examples, you can use your own methodology to guide you. But I think SPEAK is a very thorough way to keep track of have you covered everything. And also don't forget on the metric side, some metrics are not so easy to think about. We talked about window washing. When we did some window washing, well, what happens there? You have to think about glass surface area. That's a lot different than counting something very tangible like a diaper or Kleenex. So think about something that might be different. Think about your metrics carefully. Market sizing cases are really designed to test your analytics. Use SPEAK as a guide at first, and then be ready to analyze these problems with different approaches. One thing you can do, and I'm a big believer in this, go back to old cases and do them again. And especially with market sizing, there's no problem with doing that same case a different way. Now, in terms of homework, you need to find some market sizing cases. Of course, our virtual training camp at MBA Case has lots of them. There are 10 different ones. That's an option for you. But there are also market sizing cases all around you. Start thinking about ways you would count something up. And even if you don't have the exact answer and know what that number should be, still going through the process of breaking things down and thinking about them will help you quite a bit. So practice SPEAK on your own and be sure to speak. SPEAK is there to remind you to speak out loud. And that way you'll show the interviewer that you're analytical, but you're also very strong in terms of communication.